Hello everyone, welcome to our new video Sora 2. So today with the help of an image and our prompt with Sora 2, new video generated model provided by OpenAI. So Sora 2 is not just for a text prompt, you can also create video directly from the image, which opens up a whole new world of creativity and of creative possibilities. In today's video I am going to show you how you can generate a short video from an image using Sora 2 and n8n without relying any third party. The first thing we will do is set up our workflow in n8n. You will need your Sora 2 API key that I already discussed in my previous video, how you can get the API key, and once your key is ready, this allow us to communicate directly with the Sora 2 and send both our image and prompt for video generation. In this workflow, we have started with a from submission node. That means with the from submission node, we will put our prompt and we will put our image URL. After submission the from, it will take our prompt and also the image and send to api.kai.ai to generate the video. Next, we have added a wait node that we will wait 60 seconds, and after that we took another http node to get the video request whether our video is ready or not, and once our video is ready we will download this video and we will save this video in our Google Drive. And if we received any wait or in queue, then it will wait for 60 seconds and it will again try to download this video. So let's first check whether our workflow is working or not. Then I will go through node by node and I will demonstrate how you can create this type of workflow to create a viral post or to create a short video in n8n. So before that I will show you my prompt. So this is my prompt: a confident fit woman stand in a bright gym environment holding a sleek bottle. She smiled warmly at the camera and says, "Hey everyone, I have been using this bottle every day. It keeps my water perfectly cold during workouts and I absolutely love this design." So this is the image we have generated via Google Nano Banana. You can check out my videos how you can create this type of UGC image ad where you upload multiple images, and with the help of multiple images you can generate this type of UGC image ad via Google Nano Banana. I will put the link in the description. You can check out how you can generate this type of images. So we will use the same image to create our video. So before that I will go through how you can use the API to generate the video. So now let's go to kai.ai and you need to just go to the Sora 2 image to video. So just click on Sora image to video, and after that just scroll down. You will have the sample request example. So the we will use a call posting. The URL will be same like we have discussed in our previous video. The URL is https api.kai.ai/api version 1 job create task, and we need to send a content type that application JSON in the header and also authorization with the bearer token. So our model will be Sora 2 image to video. The callback URL, if you want to have your callback URL you can put your URL. This is an optional parameter. You need to send the prompt and the image URLs, and you need to mention the aspect ratio and the quality. So now I will go to my workflow and we will create our video with the help of Kai AI. So now just copy the prompt, and for image URL I have just uploaded the image in image.bb. So you can logged in the image.bb.com and you can upload your image, and from there you can have the image URL. That URL we will use to create that video. So can be also done from Google Drive. You can upload your image into Google Drive and you can fetch the image from your Google Drive also. So now I will paste the image URL here, and first I will copy the prompt. Next I will click on execute workflow. So now it is, you can see we have two inputs, one is prompt, so I will just paste the prompt, and next I will just copy the image URL and I will enter the image URL, and next I will hit submit. We have received a request. Now it will wait until our video is generated. So we will wait for some time and let's see after our image generation part is completed. So you can see current state is waiting. That means our video is generating. So we will wait some more time to see whether our video is generated or not. So please bear with me. I will get back once our video generation part is completed. Now we have received our response and the state is failed. That means now you can see we have received a failed message to create the video from image, and we received a state that is failed, and we have received the reason that OpenAI currently do not support upload of image containing photorealistic pupil. That means Sora 2 is unable to create a video from a real user picture. This was our female athletics picture. We have sent this picture to create a video with the bottle, but it is unable to generate the video. Now we will change the image and we will create another image. We will send another image with different prompt. So you can see I have uploaded a cartoon dog picture that is generated by OpenAI into ImageBB, and after that you will get the image URL, and now you can see this is my image URL. If I click on this, you can see this is my image URL containing a dog picture, and next I have created a prompt that is the cheerful cartoon puppy runs happily through a sunny park, tail wagging with excitement. The camera follows in the smooth motion. You can read the prompt. Now we will try with this prompt and with the cartoon image. So now you can see we will again click execute workflow and it prompts us the form. Now I will copy the prompt again, and now we will see whether this time our AI workflow can generate the video from the image and the prompt. So I will click submit. You can see our workflow is working, and if I click on the get video one, you can see the state is generating. So let's wait for some time. So once the video is generate, we will go through the workflow step by step. You can see now we have received the same response that is failed, and this time we receive the failed message is this content may violate OpenAI's guardrails concerning similarity to third-party content. I don't know why Sora 2 is unable to create a video from a image and with a prompt. Let's try with another AI cartoon. Now I have generated another image, so now I will upload that image. You can check, and I will upload this image and click on upload. Now our image will be uploaded in imagebb.com and we will get the image URL from there. So you can see our image is uploaded. Now you can just go on direct link and we will get the image link. So I will just click on direct link. So let's check whether the link is publicly available or not. So link is publicly available. Now I will just paste this link, and we also create a new prompt that will generate the video from this image. So create a cute, colorful and heartwarming 8 to 10 second animated short video showing a beautiful showing a cheerful cartoon girl talking to a playful puppy, baby puppy in a bright outdoor park. Now I will copy the prompt and click on execute workflow, paste the prompt. Again, I will just add the image URL, and I will again submit the form. And let's see, we have submitted our request to Sora. Now you can see current state is generating. So we'll wait for some time. Once our video is generated, good news guys, this time we have received a success message, and we have received the state as success, and that means our video is now generated with the help of Sora 2. After 4 to 5 attempts, finally I am able to generate a video from an image. So let's check our video. So this is, we received the video. Now I will click on view. Now you can see, with this character, with this cartoon character, I am able to create the image via Sora 2. So now I will check my Google Drive whether the video is uploaded in my Google Drive or not. So I will click download for the time being. So I'll save the video and let's check. Yes, you can see we received the video. This is the video. Let's go to the folder. You can see we just received this video. So if I click on that, it is unable to play the video directly. So I will refresh once. It should. Okay, okay, till the time let's go through our workflow, how I generate the image via Sora 2. So first we took a from submission node, like our previous video image to, like our previous video, from text to video we have used similar type of font. Now we have add a new field, that is the image URL. So you just need to place the image URL so that you can send the image along with your prompt to kai.ai to generate the image. Now I will, next we have took a HTTP request. So you can just go here and type HTTP. You will have your HTTP node, and once I click on this, you can see the hosting URL for kai.ai is api.kai.ai slash api slash v1 job create task. You can directly go to kai.ai and you need to go to Sora 2, and from here you need to click on Sora to image to video, and after that you just need to go to the bottom of the page and you will find the call request, how we can call Kai API from our n8n. So this is the posting URL. The method will be post. Next you need to send two header parameter. The H means you need to send in a header parameter. So one is content type and next is authorization. And now I will show you how you can connect with kai.ai. So you just need to click on, the authentication will be none, and you just need to click on send header using field below. The first will be content type, the application JSON. You can see the first is content type application JSON, and next is authorization with the bearer. You can see the authorization, first bearer, then your API key. For API key you just need to go to Kai AI dashboard and click on API key. You will have your API key. You just need to create your own API from the create API key button. So next you just need to pass the content. Body content type is JSON, so that means you need to send a JSON parameter. As per our documentation, it will take, the model will be Sora to image to video, input will be prompt, image URL, aspect ratio and the quality. So you can see, so after the form submission we have received our prompt and the image URL. You can see this is our image URL and this is my prompt, and if I click on the expression, you can see I have used model Sora to image to video input. Within the input there is prompt, and we have just dragged the prompt from our left hand side to this field, and also I just drag this image URL to the image URL, and you can see this is our prompt and our image URL. Now we have created our request parameter, and it will hit the Kai AI API to create the video via Sora 2. Next we will wait 60 seconds, and we will call the get video. That means we will call an API, that is the api.kai.ai, to check the status of our video. So you can see the URL will be, the method will be get, and the URL will be api.kai.ai/api vi jobs record info question mark task id equals to the task id. The task id you have received from our previous node, that means the task id is this. So once you submit the video to kai.ai, you will get a task id and record id. Both the value is same. You can send the task id or record id, any of them. Next you need to again set your credential. That means the header parameter, content type equal to application/json. Next the authorization, the bearer, and your API key. So this is my API key. Don't use my API key. I will delete this API key after this video. So please don't use my API key. So next you can see we have 5 iteration. That means each iteration takes 1 minute. I have add a 60-second wait node to get the video. So you can see it iterate 5 times, that it took almost 5 minutes to get the video, and we receive the state as success, and also the image URL, that is, sorry, also the video URL. So next I have used if node, that is, this is the conditional node. So it will check every time whether we received the state as success or not. So if I click on this, you can see I have added a condition, that is the JSON dot data dot state. That means we will receive this value. So just drag this state to here, and once it is success, then it will go to our code node, and from there we will segregate the video URL. And next we use again HTTP node to download this video, and after that we will use a Google Drive node to just upload that video into our Google Drive. So if it is false, it will again wait for 60 seconds, and after 60 seconds it will call that API to get the video. So next I will go to the code node. You can see this is our request result JSON. We have received this result JSON. Here is the result URL. I just use a simple code node to just pass the video URL. So you can see this is our video URL, and next we used HTTP request, and method will be get, and we just passed the URL from our previous node. We just drag this URL into the URL section, and after you click on execute workflow, it will download your file. So you can see this is our video, and our next node is a Google Drive node. So from the previous node we have received our video, and you just need to attach your Google Drive node. So the file name is Sora video, and you need to just select your folder name in which you want to upload your video. So you can see my video is uploaded, and I received an web view link, that means this one. So if I copy this and if I paste it, it should play our video. Yes. So you can see finally I have succeed to generate a video from image along with the prompt via kai.api. So I will give you this template totally free. Just go to the comment section and comment Sora 2 video. I will give you this template without any cost. Please subscribe my channel and like the video, and please provide me I need you guys to give me 2 3 topics so that I can make this type of video later. So see you on the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.